Hello, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Now, I'm about to hop into a ballet class, if you haven't noticed already, and I like to do a core workout before my ballet class so I really feel unbalanced, together, connected to my body, and engaged. So let's go ahead and get started for this follow along core workout. We're going to start with our feet flat on the floor, and I like to start with some glute bridges just to warm up the back of my legs as well as my core. On the exhale, let's take our arms into first to start. We're going to lift our hips in line with our knees and our shoulders. Exhale, inhale, lower. And again for 7, we do 8 in total and lower. And we do 6 and lower. We do 5 and lower. We do 4, lower, 3, and lower, 2, keeping the back flat, lower. Last one, place your hands down, lift your heels up for a little bit more instability here to really engage our core. We're gonna lift the right knee, extend, lower down, flex it to hover off the floor without losing your back. Connect the belly button to spine. Lift the knee, extend, down. 2 more, lift the knee, extend, down. Last one, lift the knee, extend, down. Beautiful. We do the same with the left. Lift the knee, extend, down. Lift the knee, extend, down. 2 more, lift the knee, extend, down. Last one, lift the knee, extend, down. Beautiful. Place both feet flat again. Lower all the way down, point your toes, lift your knees to a 90-degree bent position off the floor, toes are pointed. Option 1, hands are underneath the seat to make it easier. Option 2, arms are in first position. Option 3, hands are behind our head and our neck as we flex our right foot down for 16. Then we do the left, so we're alternating. 15, 14, keeping the belly button lowered. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, almost there, and 1. Now we're just going to do bicycles, pointing our toes, extending for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees in. Usually I reverse that as well, the whole thing. If I'm just doing a core workout but before class, I don't want to overtire myself before I start. So next exercise, toes are together, knees are open in a butterfly position. You can flex your feet a little bit just to stretch out the back of your calves if your feet are cramping. Clasp your hands behind your head. On the next exhale, think of lifting your pelvis off the floor. Bring your elbows towards your knees. Inhale, we tap the toes all the way down. And again, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Again, exhale, lift. And lower. And again, exhale, lift, lower. Good, that was 4, we do 10. Let's do 5, and lower. We do 6, lower, 7, lower, 8, almost there, I know it's tiring, lower, 9, and last one, 10, and lower. Good, bring it back up to finish. Bring the knees in and relax. Inhale, stretch out the core. Exhale, give yourself a hug and roll up onto your seat. I like to do about 2 more exercises because I'm feeling pretty connected in my core now, but because I used to do a lot of partner work when I was in a professional ballet company, I also liked to warm up my obliques for shoulder sits. So this exercise is actually one that I did in ballet school, and it was really, really helpful partnering as well as just for strength overall. So you're gonna cross your left heel or left ankle in front of your right ankle. You're gonna take your left arm up, right arm in first. You're gonna sit back into a V hold, and you're gonna do little twists towards your left side. Let's do 10, 9, 8. So you're twisting the thoracic spine. 7, not just the shoulders like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the right ankle on top of the left, right arm up, left arm in front, and we do the other side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Think of épaulement. 1, and relax. Good. Thread your legs behind you. The last thing that I like to do are some knee taps in a low plank. I either hold a plank for like 1 or 2 minutes, or I do 20 knee taps. So let's do 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, untuck the toes and stretch out in a Sphinx or Cobra. But that is pretty much everything that I like to do before class every day, and that's what I feel helps me be connected to my core as well as my balance. I'll also do some balance work standing up, such as proprioception. I'll either close my eyes, stand on one foot for 1 minute, or I'll just practice my balance on one foot, either on a block or something a little bit more unstable, like those little squishy balance boards. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.